In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Cursor AI on your Windows computer, step by step, so you can get up and running in just a few minutes. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that helps you write, edit, and understand code faster. And the installation process is very simple when you follow the right steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open any browser on your computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. Once your browser is open, go to the official Cursor website. It's always important to download software from the official source so you know you're getting the real version and not a modified installer from somewhere else. When the Cursor homepage loads, look for the download option for Windows. Since this tutorial is for Windows users, click Download for Windows. After you click it, your browser will begin downloading the installer file. In most cases, the file will be named cursorusersetup.exe, so keep an eye on the downloads area at the bottom of your browser or in the download notification. Now wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the file is finished downloading, you have two easy ways to open it. You can open your downloads folder and find the installer there, or you can simply click the downloaded file directly from your browser's download bar. As soon as you launch the installer, Windows may show a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal for software installation. If that prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Next, the setup wizard will open. You'll usually see a license agreement screen first. Read through it if you want, then select I accept the agreement. After that, click Next to move forward in the setup process. The installer may show a few more screens with default options or installation preferences. In most cases, you can simply click Next on each screen to continue with the standard installation settings. If you're just trying to get Cursor installed quickly, the default options are usually the easiest choice. When you reach the installation step, click Install. At this point, Windows will begin copying the files and setting Cursor up on your computer. Just give it a moment to finish. You may see a progress bar while the installation is running, and that's completely normal. Once the install is finished, you'll see the final screen of the setup wizard. From there, launch Cursor AI so you can start using it right away. If the installer gives you an option to open the app immediately, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can find Cursor in your Start menu and launch it manually. And that's it. Cursor AI is now installed on your Windows computer. From here, you can sign in, set up your workspace, and start using its AI features to code faster and smarter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.